everybody, welcome back. So today I will be showing you some of the DIYs that I am using around my house. I hope that this gives you guys some inspiration and also helps you out to just find some alternative ways to style your home without going out and spending a whole bunch of money. So without further ado guys, let's get into this video. So guys, I know you've seen these lamps before. This is an inspiration piece that I created from a chandelier that I purchased from Wayfair. And so I wanted to create something that was just like it but slightly different. And I came up with this. I picked these lamp stands up from a store called the Christmas Tree Store here in Michigan, and so they were really inexpensive. So what I did is I got these little boas. These are actually boas from the Dollar Tree, and I just wrapped them around and hot glued them on, and I think it came out really nice. You can't really tell at all that this was something that I DIY'd myself. I always get compliments from people when they come into this room about these. So yeah, that's how they look. And I'm going to show you my inspiration piece as well if you are new to my channel and haven't seen it before. So guys, this is my inspiration piece here, and so I love this so much, and I feel like my DIYs match this perfectly. And yeah, that is how this looks, guys. That's all that I have today. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you have, please give this video a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, as well as hitting that notification bell. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.